Do you have oil leaking from equipment stored outdoors? Valves, flanges, fittings that leak? If you do, you've probably tried white spill sheets, but they allow oil to run through them right onto the ground. And traditional drip pans are okay to catch drips, but every time it rains, the water lifts the oil and it sloppers right out of the pans. Now there's a better way. Super Husky pans trap nuisance oil leaks and drips and allow clean rainwater to filter through. You just set it and forget it. Super Husky pans come in two sizes: 2 foot by 4 foot, which is great for hose racks, heavy leakers, pails, gas cans, and up to 2 55-gallon drums, and 4 foot square, which is great for equipment, up to 4 55-gallon drums, and most square totes. It's also perfect for pressure washing grimy parts and equipment. Both sizes have an impermeable polyvinyl frame that keeps oil from bleeding through, so you don't end up chasing oil sheens across your lot. And microfiber weep holes let the filtered clean rainwater drain out of the pan, so it doesn't pull up and allow the pan to overflow. Choose Super Husky pans for areas where used oil is collected, dispensing stations, equipment storage areas, and other areas with persistent oil leaks and drips. You'll save time and reduce expensive cleanup and remediation costs.